D2 coilovers. Oh my god, what the heck is wrong with this thing? I'm sorry, I have a filter on my phone. It turned off by itself. That's why it looks so white and so freaking like a baby face. But anyway, don't roast me on it. I just want to do a little review about the D2 coilovers that I put on my 2018 WRX. I'ma say one thing: they're nice. They're really nice. I mean, they feel good. I think they feel even more comfortable than the stock suspension that I had actually. I actually just have 2 days driving with them, but I don't need a week to know and notice the difference. So just letting you know, man, if you want to get D2 coilovers, get them, because they worth the money. They worth the money. The ride feel pretty damn nice. I mean, I had it low yesterday. I installed them yesterday and it was like too low, and still I drove with it and it felt great. The only thing that I have to drive far to go to work and stuff, so I had to raise it up a little bit. So I did raise it up a little bit today. But I'm telling you, man, the coilovers feel pretty damn good. They feel comfortable. There is no noise or nothing. I mean, you can see me right now. I'm going over bumps and stuff, and they feel just normal. So hands down for D2 coilovers. Sponsor me. I like to do a lot of stuff on my car. I got more stuff to do on it. I would love to get some of them updated great calipers for this before I start like going crazy on the engine and go stage 2 and stage 3 or whatever. I'm still stuck. So nothing. I just wanted to do a review and let you guys know that they're pretty damn good. So it's worth the money. This is my 3rd video. Subscribe. I'm still using my phone. I won't stop using my phone till I get like enough views and enough subscribers that make me, you know what I mean, think that it's worth it for me to get a camera and all that. But like I said, subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video. Any comments, any advice about how to make better content on my videos and stuff. I know it's hard when I'm just using my phone, but that's everything. Be safe.